The Dreame L40 Ultra Robot Vacuum Self-Emptying System delivers next-level convenience with its ultra-strong 11,000 pascals suction power, advanced mopping technology, and fully automated cleaning features designed for effortless home care. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. It offers deep cleaning with hand-free maintenance, using an auto-cleaning dock that empties the dustbin, washes the mop with 149 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, dries it thoroughly, and automatically refills the solution tank so every cleaning cycle stays fresh. With its extendable side brush and precise navigation system, it reaches edges, corners, and tight spaces that most robots miss, while smart voice control makes operation easy and intuitive. The L40 Ultra adapts to all floor types, from carpets to hard floors, lifting debris, dust, and pet hair with powerful suction and efficient mopping. Its auto-refill feature and hands-free dock allow long cleaning sessions without interruption, making it perfect for busy homes. When it returns to the base, it completes a full maintenance cycle, keeping the mop clean and sanitized for the next run. Advanced mapping ensures optimized routes, obstacle avoidance, and targeted room cleaning through the app or voice assistance. Over time, the robot learns your home layout to increase coverage and reduce cleaning time. Its quiet operation, large dust capacity, and fully automated upkeep make it a reliable daily cleaning companion. Whether it's everyday dirt, pet mess, or high-traffic areas, it delivers consistent, spotless results with minimal effort from you. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.